it was during Friday the 13th. It was probably like 4 in the morning, and it was that goofy time where, yeah, where you do stuff like that. So it certainly was
Is that a real chicken? Future Farmers of America convention last year?
Yeah,
I usually does those top ones.
I certainly wasn't thinking that was when I was not there. But yeah, it was on set. No, it's okay. My best guess is that it's just like 4 in the morning and I was loopy and not thinking. It's like, and we should learn from Michael Phelps. There's always a camera somewhere.